Hey guys, Sydney here from Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. Today we have this 2023 Mercedes C300. Now I absolutely love this. I just noticed it came off the truck. I really wanted to show this car because I absolutely love the interior in it. It's called Sienna Brown and it's really pretty. I love the color of the seats in here. Let's see if I can lift this and show. It's super nice. It's like almost like a cinnamon brown, but it kind of has a slight pastel to it if you were to see it in person. So it's just a really nice colored interior, especially, you know, if you don't want really light interior but you don't want black, this is a great option. Still has the wrappers and everything on it because we just got it. It's got the powered seats and heated seats. Has a few different driving modes on it as well. It also has the ambient lighting feature. And, you know, these are really good on gas, too. So these are very good economical cars if that's something that you're looking for, or just a good daily car in general. Now, perfect. Back here, the wrappers aren't on this, so that's really nice to show. Plenty of room in the back seats. Very comfortable car to drive in. And just show you the back of the trunk. We got tons of trunk space back here and some accessories that haven't been unpacked yet. The back seats do fold down as well, which is very easy to do. Right here there's a button. Show you a little bit of the interior of the vehicle. Just a little hard to show because, like I said, you know, wrappers are still on the vehicle, but we got some few different display options which are really nice. This is all our features right here. And then down here, we have all these different settings as well, if you can see. So under comfort, it has seat kinetics as well, which is really nice. Heating settings as well. And then the ambient lighting. It has the monochrome and the multicolor. Now, also under vehicle info, it has your engine display right here. And it also shows your percentage of how much you're accelerating, how much you're braking, and your fuel consumption. This car also has Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay as well, which are some pretty great features. And it has a full panoramic roof. Okay, so that's just a little bit of the C300 that we just got. Very beautiful car. I absolutely love the build that was done on this. So definitely come and check it out. You know, I don't see many of this build all the time. So this is definitely, I'd want to come and see.